Buying on L&T's SuFin is seamless and smart. It's crafted for a buyer-centric experience with informed choices, secure payments, and effortless transactions, all at the click of a button. After logging in, on the buyer homepage, click the Request Quote for Bulk tab to initiate the bulk order process. The buyer will now place the request for safety shoes. Now, using the search box, find the product you need. Here, you can edit the quantity and choose the required unit from the drop-down. If you are looking for a specific brand, tick the box and find the listed brands from the drop-down. To add another variant, click to modify the requirement. At this stage, you can raise a request for quotation or RFQ for multiple products, download the template to specify details about multiple products, and then upload the completed file using the Upload option. Click Edit to update the specifications in case the RFQ is to be raised for a single product. Next, fill in the RFQ details like delivery date and delivery PIN code. Here, you can check your credit purchase limit. The credit purchase facility can be availed only by a select set of buyers based on specific criteria laid down by SuFin. Under standard circumstances, a buyer can split the payment terms of advance and ready for shipment. These terms are subject to approval by the seller. Now mention the payment breakdown in percentage, including pay on order placement and ready for shipment, and in case the buyer has availed of a trust seal, then the pay after delivery or credit percentage and the period of credit up to 90 days also need to be specified. Once accepted by the seller, these payment terms must be followed to complete the transaction. Once these fields are populated, click Save, then click Proceed. You can select from the SuFin AI recommended list of sellers to whom the RFQ will be sent based on your preferences. The buyer can also manually select from the existing list of sellers available on the SuFin platform. In case the buyer has already shortlisted the seller, he or she can search and send an RFQ to that seller using the search bar. Make your choice, then click Save and Submit Request. In case the seller responds to your RFQ with a quotation, the quotation will be in the form of a landing price. The Ex Works price can also be mentioned as an option. Here, the buyer has a choice to approve, reject, or send back the quote for further negotiation. From the drop-down, click Manage RFQ. Now click on View RFQ Details. You can compare quotes from different sellers by either downloading the comparative sheet or doing an online comparison by selecting the quotes to be compared. Tick this option to show and compare only what's different. Once you've reviewed the quotes, go back and review other options such as Show RFQ Request Details. Here, you have the option to send the same RFQ to additional sellers, review the terms and conditions, check the specifications, or even delete or repeat the RFQ. If you want to request revised pricing, simply click on Ask for Revised Pricing and select a reason from the listed options, or provide your own if none of the stated reasons apply. Once you receive the updated price, click here to accept the quote and place the order. Here, you can edit delivery and billing addresses if required. You can tick the box to get your GST invoice. You can even click Change to edit the details if required. Do a final check. At this stage, you can also view the milestone-based payment breakdown here. So the buyer can review all charges clearly before proceeding. Then proceed to make the advance payment. Click Pay Now and choose from credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI, or NEFT RTGS. Just click Pay Now. Your payment has been successfully completed. The seller is instantly notified of the buyer's payment and proceeds to dispatch the shoes. Now let's initiate the Ready for Shipment payment as per the decided terms and conditions. From the drop-down, click Manage Order. Now click on View Details. You can either make the full payment or make the second tranche of payment. Choose your payment mode. Then click Pay Now to complete the second tranche of payment. Once done, your payment will be successfully completed. The seller is instantly notified of the buyer's payment and proceeds to dispatch the shoes. The buyer will now confirm the delivery of the safety shoes. From the drop-down, click Manage Order. Now click on View Details. Here you can download documents like invoices, e-way bills, and proof of delivery. If there's any issue with the received consignment, click here to initiate a return. Here select a reason for returning and save. Now we can proceed on the basis that the delivery is confirmed by adding the goods received date, tick the box and then add your remarks and just click Submit. In case the buyer has availed of a seller's credit facility, this final amount needs to be paid on the due date as agreed between the buyer and seller. Now to make the complete payment, just click Pay Now. Your payment has been successfully completed. Click Order Details to track the shipment through its robust 7 stages of delivery to receive your product without fail. Simple, robust and efficient end-to-end transaction process only on L&T SuFin.